everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. I did my face. I am filming at the moment a review on the foundation NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I don't know if this video will be available just yet. If it's the case, you can find it right here or on the description box down below. And if it's not, then like I said, just subscribe. Ring the bell to have the notification where I will post the video of this review and what I put on my face today as well. But we are here today for this beautiful palette. It is from Beauty Bay. I just showed it on one of my last video, the makeup haul, and I think it is a very pretty packaging. It's called the Book of Magic, and I just really like this holographic. You have the color story, like I told you on the video of the haul. Here you have your everyday look right here, the more nudes, but you have purple, teal, blue, you have a black, you have a beige color, and you have a good amount of mattes and shimmers, and you have a duochrome as well. It's beautiful palette. I have my base pillows on, and let's try it. For today I will go more on the purple and bluish side because it's the type of colors that I don't use that often, but I like purple. Blue I don't use that much, but I want to explore that color on my eyes. And what I appreciate on this palette is that we have also a silver, so I really like that color. I think it's really pretty. And the duochrome I'm really interested about. First off, I have my base pillows on my eyes as always, and I'm gonna take the color Vanish, this one, just to set under my brows, so it will be easier after to blend everything. Okay, that's a perfect color for me because we can't see it, and that's what I want. Tell me down below if you know this brand, if you're familiar with the Beauty Bay website, and if you already tried some Beauty Bay product. Like I said, for me it's not the first time that I'm using a Beauty Bay palette because I bought the pastel palette. I did a look with it, you can find it here, and I did also a look using the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette collaboration, and also you can find it here and here. If you want to have some more inspiration, if you have those palettes and you don't know what to do, maybe. I'm gonna begin with the color Sorcery. I have to say I am not a Halloween person. I don't like, I think it's maybe a very unusual opinion, but that's just the way it is. I am not into Halloween at all. I don't like this event, or I don't know how to call it, but it's not my cup of tea, clearly. But I do enjoy the names of the palette because I think they maybe launch it for Halloween because it's Book of Magic, and you know the name, like I said, Sorcery. You have Bewitched, Spell, Moonlight, Curse, Stardust, and all that jazz. But I like the name because I am a big fan of Harry Potter, so for me it really reminds me of that universe, so I don't mind at all. So like I said, I'm dipping in Sorcery, so the purple, and I am gonna place it on the crease, going slowly, and I am stopping in the middle, staying on the crease. The pigmentation is there, I really appreciate that. And I am doing a little triangle I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna take the color Enchanted, which is kind of a pastel lavender color. Really like that type of color. I'm gonna use it to blend the edges of that first color. Obviously we don't see that color as much as the one before, but I'm not really surprised because it is a very light color, but I can definitely see it though. And then to keep the intensity of the first color, feel free to check the color again and to place a little bit more. It's really what makeup is about, you know, going back and forth. I will go for Voodoo. It's a deeper purple. And I am gonna darken up the first color that we use. And I am still following the kind of a circle that I did. Okay, the thing that I am noticing is that I have the impression to have a big splash of purple instead of what I wanted, like 3 colors. But I'm guessing that's my fault because I don't have enough detail brush, so I really don't think that's the palette fault. It's more me, if I am being honest. We just have to trust the process. I did a semi-cut crease, you know, as like a round shape. And as I want the purple to be seen right here for really have this round effect, I am taking the 2 colors, first Sorcery, the first purple that I'm placing right here with a very fine brush, and now Voodoo, and a little bit above, and following the shape to have a little bit more dimension and to be a little bit more, trying to be a little bit more precise. I'm gonna take a little bit of the black hex, called Hex, and I'm doing the same to darken up. I'm staying under this shape, just going here, carefully blending. I am going back in Enchanted, the kind of lavender, and I'm gonna go a little bit more right here. I don't know if I continue the line with another color or if it is going to ruin the effect of the more on the side colors. I'm gonna try. I'm so afraid of messing that up, but okay, let's try. I'm taking Elixir, this blue, and let's see if I put it right here. It's not as cat eye as before. Tell me down below. Should have done it. Now it's too late. Let's see with the 2 eyes if it is pretty or not. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I don't regret it. That's fine. Now, what else? Let's try some shimmers. I'm gonna go first with Charmed, this purple. I'm gonna place it on the shape we did. And now I want to try the duochrome. And I'm gonna place it right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Makeup is so fun. I'm liking it a lot. In the inner corner, I'm gonna place Alchemy right here. It's a beautiful soft gold. And I will put it right here. that is so pretty. Really intense. I am freaking loving it. Okay, let's do the bottom. I'm gonna go for Voodoo. The dark... No. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to use the blues. So I'm gonna go for Cursed. This deep navy blue. And I am placing the color in the outer V, very close to the lash lines, and I am staying on the outer V. With what is left on the brush, I am a little bit going in the middle. I am going to take Trick, and this color will go under. I will take Potion, this shimmer blue, that I'm gonna place right here. And let's try a little bit of Moonlight, because just love silver, and place it on the part that is left right here. And the same color I'm gonna place a little bit under the brows. This one is more glittery than really shimmery. It's not pressed glitter, but I put some lashes on and let finish the look. I'm gonna take a brown for the lips. From Colourpop, the lipstick Creature. It's a matte. So it's like a very dark plum. And in the center, same brand, Colourpop, it's a lipstick. And it's called Aquarius, and it is a cream. And then I'm gonna blend. And here is the look I created with this beautiful palette. I'm very glad that I purchased this one because, like I said, the packaging, I really like it, and the color story is very interesting to me. The blue, the green, some nudes and some colors to do a more... So sorry. Yeah, baby girl, yeah. Natural transition. And the shimmers are really interesting. So yeah, I like it. I really like it. Do you want me to do another look with this palette? Tell me down below. And I will try also from now on to do some mini makeup tutorials on my Instagram. I didn't do it because I don't know exactly how to do it on Instagram yet. That's the only reason. But I think I will try to figure it out because I really want to use more of the palettes that I already own. So go to my Instagram, subscribe if you're not already, so you can have other inspiration of the palettes that I have on stock. I hope that you liked this makeup tutorial. If you did, please put a thumbs up, that really helps me. Share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.